As Oppo has just launched its bunch of products including tablets, now its sister brand OnePlus is also getting ready for a new tablet, the OnePlus Pad 4. OnePlus has started teasing the details including the design, besides various leaks also shared some of its specs. So let's dive in. So design-wise, the OnePlus Pad 4 will be exactly similar to the Oppo Pad 5 Pro. The small pill-shaped camera island and a presence of a magnetic docking connector on the back. In fact, there is even a similar color option. So it's just like slapping a different brand name on the Oppo Pad 5 Pro. While OnePlus hasn't revealed the front look so far, but we are unlikely to see slimmer bezels like their just launched compact size Oppo Pad Mini. Instead, there will be a relatively thicker bezels. Now, talking about the specs, the OnePlus Pad 4 is set to sport a 13.2 inches display, so it will be a pretty big size tablet. And as it is based on the Oppo Pad 5 Pro, the OnePlus Pad 4 will feature a 3.4K resolution panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. And it will be an LCD panel. In terms of the chipset, the tablet recently spotted on the Geekbench listing. And looking at the cores and clocking speeds, the OnePlus Pad 4 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Which is also confirmed by OnePlus. It scored 3467 single core while 10377 multi-core scores that we can expect from this chipset. But as I always mentioned, these scores are just guesswork of performance. What really matters is the real-world performance. But of course, it's the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, so we will get a super smooth tablet running on this chip. The Geekbench revealed 12 gigs of RAM, however, there will be other options too, like 16 gigs. Next, talking about the battery, earlier the Pad 4 is tipped to cross the 10,000 mAh figure. And now OnePlus has confirmed that the Pad 4 will be the brand's tablet with the largest battery, a 13380 mAh, which is exactly the same as the Oppo Pad 5 Pro. Anyway, the OnePlus Pad 4 is confirmed to debut on April 30. Let me know what you think about it and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.